You know, I love sweaters. I live in Arizona. I'm not sure why I'm so fond of them, but I am. And I have piles of them in drawers and on shelves, and sometimes they fall off the shelves and they're a mess. And if I hang them up, I get what I call those sweater dimples, where you can see right where the hanger was and they stand up on your shoulders. But I've come up with a way to hang your sweaters, a way that they won't fall off, there'll be no shoulder dimples, and you'll have all that drawer space and shelf space free. So let me show you what you're going to do. This is your sweater. You're going to fold your sweater in half, and you're going to put your sleeves together. Now, just line them up just exactly the way I'm doing. Now, we're going to take a hanger, and we're going to put that in the armpit, just like this. The bottom of the hanger is here, the hook is here. I'm going to take my sweater and I'm going to fold it across my hanger, and I'm going to tuck it under. Then I'm going to take the arms, I'm going to bring it across the hanger, and I'm going to tuck it under. Then I'm going to hang that up in my closet, and it takes a very little room. You'll never have a shoulder dimple or anything. So let me show you that again. This is a one with buttons. It works on any sweater, I guarantee you. So again, we're going to lay this sweater down. We're going to fold it in half. So we're going to line up the sides. We're going to line up the arms. It's that easy. Smooth it out. You're going to take your hanger. You're going to put the hook part in the armpit of the hanger. You're going to take the bottom. You're going to fold it over, tuck it under the hanger. Bring your sleeves over. Tuck them under the hanger. You're done. You can hang your sweaters up. You can see every color you have. In fact, I hang them by color because, well, that's who I am. It's easy, it's quick, and it saves tons of space. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.